Welcome to Agricultural Science for JSS 3. Today we study post-harvest technology. What is post-harvest technology? Post-harvest technology refers to all the operations and treatments applied to agricultural produce after harvesting to maintain quality, extend shelf life, reduce losses, and ensure safe delivery of food to consumers. Scale of post-harvest losses in Nigeria. Nigeria loses up to 40 to 60% of some food crops after harvest due to poor post-harvest handling. This is a huge waste. Reducing post-harvest losses is one of the most effective ways to improve food security without growing more food. Causes of post-harvest losses. 1. Physical damage, bruising, cutting, crushing during harvesting and transport. 2. Microbial decay, bacteria, fungi, and molds cause spoilage. 3. Physiological changes, ripening, senescence, aging, respiration. 4. Insect and rodent attack, pest damage stored produce. 5. Moisture loss, crops lose water and weather. 6. Temperature extremes, heat and cold damage produce. Post-harvest operations. 1. Harvesting, the right time to harvest is critical. Too early, produce is immature. Too late, produce is overripe and damaged. Use the right tools, sharp knives, scissors, harvesting bags. 2. Field curing, some crops need curing after harvest, e.g., YMS are cured by storing in a warm, humid environment for several weeks to heal skin wounds. 3. Sorting and grading, remove damaged, diseased, or undersized produce. Grade by size, weight, and quality. 4. Washing and cleaning, remove dirt and reduce microbial load. 5. Drying, reduce moisture content to prevent fungal growth. Sun drying, most common in Nigeria, or mechanical drying. 6. Cooling and cold storage, low temperature slows respiration and microbial activity. Very effective but expensive, requires electricity. 7. Storage, traditional storage, barns, granaries, cribs or for maize, lumber silos. Improved storage, metal silos, hermetic storage, polythene bags, hermetic storage drums. 8. Processing, convert fresh produce into processed products, gari, palm oil, tomato paste, to extend shelf life. 9. Packaging and transportation, protect produce during transport. Use appropriate containers. Methods of food preservation. 1. Drying or sun drying, solar drying, oven drying. 2. Smoking fish, meat. 3. Salting fish, meat. 4. Fermentation, oji, ogba, dewa. 5. Canning. 6. Refrigeration and freezing. 7. Chemical preservation, weevil control chemicals in stored grain. Hermetic storage technology. Hermetic storage means storing grain in airtight containers so that the insects inside consume all the oxygen and die. No oxygen equals no insects equals no grain damage. Used for maize, sorghum, millet, cowpea. Hermetic bags and metal silos are becoming popular in Nigeria through the Grain Pro system and other innovations. Remember, post-harvest technology equals all operations plus treatments applied to agricultural produce after harvesting to maintain quality plus extend shelf life plus reduce losses plus ensure safe delivery of food to consumers. Post-harvest losses in Nigeria. Nigeria loses up to 40 to 60% of some food crops after harvest due to poor post-harvest handling. Reducing post-harvest losses equals one of most effective ways to improve food security. Causes of post-harvest losses. Physical damage equals bruising plus cutting plus crushing during harvesting plus transport. Microbial decay equals bacteria plus fungi plus molds cause spoilage. Physiological changes equals ripening plus senescence/aging plus respiration. Insect plus rodent attack. Moisture loss equals crops lose water plus weather. Temperature extremes. Post-harvest operations. Harvesting equals right time to harvest is critical equals too early immature plus too late overripe. use right tools, field curing equals some crops need curing after harvest equals YMS cured in warm plus humid environment for several weeks to heal skin wounds, sorting plus grading equals remove damage plus disease plus undersized produce, washing plus cleaning equals remove dirt plus reduce microbial load, drying equals reduce moisture content to prevent fungal growth equals sun drying most common in Nigeria, cooling plus cold storage equals low temperature slows. Respiration plus microbial activity equals very effective but expensive, storage equals traditional equals barns plus granaries plus cribs for maize, improved equals metal silos plus polythene bags plus hermetic storage drums, processing equals convert fresh produce into processed products to extend shelf life, packaging plus transportation. Methods of food preservation: drying equals sun drying plus solar drying plus oven drying, smoking equals fish plus meat, salting equals fish plus meat, fermentation equals OG plus Ogba plus Dawa, canning, refrigeration plus freezing, chemical preservation. Hermetic storage technology: storing grain in airtight containers equals insects inside consume all oxygen plus die equals NO oxygen equals NO insects equals NO grain damage, use for maize plus sorghum plus millet plus cowpea, hermetic bags plus metal silos becoming popular in Nigeria. Thank you.